What's your name?
Romeo.
Are you serious?
No. And you're funny.
And you're very funny as well.
You're funny and you're fine.
Oh, thank you so much.
And you got a tag hanging in your dress.
This is my brother, Romello. Hey, Romy.
Romello, the mellow fellow.
Between dreams and reality.
My brother was under the impression that you want to do some business.
It won't work. We can't work with Akata.
What is this Akata?
Like American cotton picker.
Between trust and deception.
Romello's not that easy to handle. He's gonna see through this.
Decision's already been made.
Between Convent Avenue and St. Nick's.
The streets are mine.
I do know what's going on out here. Not much prove it to you. I'll put you in somebody's head.
Go, now. Trying to save the brother's life, man.
Now the rules are being changed.
All I need you to do is just cut me out a little space to operate.
It can work. Well, I think there's going to be conflict.
Wesley Snipes is Romello.
I am afraid of you.
Melissa, you gotta believe me. Everything in my life is about to change.
A man looking for a way out.
I'm not scared, man. I just see something you don't. That's it.
Don't matter where you go, what you do, or what you know, you still a nigga.
Boy, Romello's out of control. He's got me stopped.
Can you promise me when I step out that door, I'm not gonna be the next one?
I don't want to have to bury not one more of you.
I ain't going out like that, Ron. This is the flavor that they savor up here, neighbor.
I don't want any more killing. I'm done.